I'm now at the hanging bridge, going towards the Waterfalls. See? I'm actually on my way back to the main road because we're heading to another waterfalls, also here in Samboan. To get to Samboan from Cebu City, it's 3 hours and 17 minutes. I would highly advise you leave early in the morning, like 3 or 4-ish, so that you will not be stuck in traffic. And it will just cost you 200 pesos aircon bus already. We actually paid 150 pesos each for the tricycle, but the tricycle driver is going to also drive us toward the hidden falls and in Ambacan. So I'm not so sure if that's worth it, but maybe, yeah. But it's not too far from the main road going towards the jump-off point of the Waterfalls, so take note of that. There is a guide that will approach you. They will normally, our guide did not demand any amount, but I guess we're just gonna have to pay him a little amount. And the entrance fee towards the Waterfalls is 40 pesos. From the jump-off point to the falls area is 15 to 20 minutes walk. So yeah, it's a good exercise and pretty picturesque sights. There's kind of like a canyon as well, so it's very interesting. Just enjoy this video, and I'm going now to Aguinid and Hidden Falls maybe, and just enjoy the video. Sabin Harvey. Take the bus going to Batu Barile from the Cebu City South Bus Terminal. I would advise you leave by 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. to avoid the city traffic. Samboan is located at the southwest part of Cebu and gives you a chance to see a little bit of the town in the west, like Mualboal, where you can experience a sardine run. Bus also passes by Badian, where the famous Kawasan Falls can be found. It then passes through Alegria, where you can find the jump-off point of the famous Cebu canyoneering. Then on to Malabuyok, then Hinatilan, where you can also find another great waterfalls called Inambakan. And after 3 hours and 17 minutes of falling in and out of sleep from the long bus ride, we finally arrived in Samboan. You can find a few tricycles already waiting for eager tourists near the Waterfalls main entrance.
3 hours, 17 minutes. 3 hours, 17. Yeah. Yara ka dito sa dokan.
now walking towards Hidden Falls. This is the second waterfalls we're going to visit after we have visited Dao Falls. The good thing about this waterfalls is that it's just well, the drop-off point is just pretty near the main road. Like, less than a minute walk, you're already on the jump-off point, where you'll have to pay for the entrance fee, which is 40 pesos. And we tried to ask if it's alright not to have a guide, but they said it's required. And then suddenly two guides were going with us. It's a good thing that we realized that from the onset, so we just told them that we just needed one guide. And I asked the people at the registration booth how much are we supposed to pay for the guide. They said that it's just up to them. So we have to inform the guide or agree upon a certain rate. And yeah, for our guide, we told our guide that, well, we agreed on just 150 peso guide fee.
Bamboo breads going to level 1. Level 1, 3 to 4 feet deep, no jumping, but you can swim in this part. This side to level 2. Level 2 is a waterfall wall climbing, so you climb against the water. All you have to do is just step on the holes, then hold the rope in going up. In going up, barefoot. 3 minutes walk, you reach level 3. Level 3, relaxing level. You can take shower and soft water massage in the center. This side to level 4. Level 4, almost 6 feet deep. So if you want to jump, just stand here, then jump on the middle, or you can let your guide for station. This side to the last level 5. Nice formation of rock, but it is shallow. 2 feet, 3 feet. You can go both sides for pictures. Here is our hard massage. After taking hard massage, just sit down and slowly slide. Every level 2 to 3 minutes walk. Then be careful of the color black and brown because that is very slippery. That's the reason why you have guides, because our waterfalls here is more on climbing, trekking, so adventure. Since we are just promoting our waterfalls in Ilonggo, your guides, no salary from the management, no share from your industry. So you have to pay your guides for their services inside. Okay, our promotion is just only level 5. If you want to take only level 5, you have to go back the same way. But if you want to proceed our extreme adventure, more on rock climbing, you consider like an infinity pool, small jacuzzi, and water terraces, what you have seen in the 3 levels. But we consider that extra level because you have to pay additional for your guides. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy.
We are already towards the end of this video blog, but just to add, if you wish to spend a night in Aguinaldo Falls, just right outside the registration area, you can find this non-air conditioned room for 1,500 pesos, good for 5 people. Now at Gorion Beach, this is also in Samboan. They have 7 to 8 rooms here for 1,500 pesos. 1,500 pesos, good for 3 people. And it's already air conditioned room. It's very cool. And if you want to crash here in Samboan, you can come here in Gorion Beach. And if you have team buildings, like there are more than 3 of you who would like to stay in one room, you can just request for a mattress or extra foam. That's just additional 100 pesos. That's Gorion Beach. And that's here in Samboan. This has been John Harvey. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw ning video. Please do check my other videos on YouTube about Cebu.